and welcome to Digit. In this video, we're going to show you how you can pair the JBL Go3 portable Bluetooth speaker with your Android smartphone device. To begin with, you should ensure that the portable speaker is properly charged and that you've read through the use manual or the quick start guide to understand all the different features it has and how you can go about operating it properly. To begin the pairing process, ensure that you have Bluetooth turned on your smartphone. Then power on the device. The power button is on one of the sides, as you can see. You've heard the signature JBL chime. You can see the little LED light in the center that's blinking continuously. On your smartphone, open up the Bluetooth settings panel. Tap on the refresh button right next to available devices. Your phone will now start searching for all devices that are ready to pair in the vicinity and showcase that in a nice list. You can see that the LED is blinking rapidly. That means the Bluetooth pairing mode is on. If it's blinking slightly slower, then you should tap the Bluetooth button once to enable the pairing mode. On your smartphone, you can already see that it has appeared in your available devices list. Tap on the name. Your phone will now give you a prompt. Tap on pair. And you finish the process. So you can see that the JBL Go3 is connected and it's also mentioning the codec, which is SBC. So that is how you can connect the JBL Go3 portable Bluetooth speaker with your Android smartphone device. Thank you for watching.